YouTube. Gonna get this shit car ready for Memorial Weekend. I gotta pull it out and put over in a spot where I can work on it. I got this freaking windshield all removed. I need to vacuum all this junk up, clean up all this crap. Gotta move the S10, and then I'm gonna put the shit car right here. This thing is fucking filthy again. Ugh, it's been like a couple of months since I drove it. Just sitting out in the weather, and I knocked the windshield out, so even more weather. Since I just busted the windshield out, there's all this glue and stuff left behind. But I'm using this Dremel, just scraping it up like super easy. All that glue crap is off of the freaking window. Or I just wanted the glass with it. I can care less about what's left on there. Shit car's all nice and cleaned out. Best it's gonna get. Yeah. Right now I'm messing with the fans. Debating which fans to use. These off the S10, they kind of suck. This one's pretty good, but I don't know. I might just hardwire these if these still work, but I feel like this one's bad. All right, a couple things to the shit car since a couple hours ago. Got this rebar all welded up, top to bottom, and I got this screen junk over here. I'm gonna put a bunch of self-tapper screws all the way around. I got the shit car fans all hooked up. These are all just twisted together and black taped. So there it is on the toggle. Shit car's getting a bath so I can give it a paint job. Okay, shit car's all cleaned up. I got some paint from Walmart, so we're about to get started. Well, there's the first third of it, all red. I'm gonna do far third blue on that side. It's gonna be red, white, and blue. Got some blue paint. I'm about to do this side blue. And I got these stars. Probably gonna do some stars within the blue. Alright, all the stars are done that I'm going to do. Now I'm just going to fill in all the other gaps with the blue. Then we finished with this side. Oh, I forgot the top. I should probably do some stars on the top too. Okay, that's it for this one. Car's all painted up. If anything, I'll probably redo the white or something, but that's not a big deal. I think it looks pretty good. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.